So I'll be answering three things today before we head off for lunch. And that is the idea of, John, if I have a great product and service that I want to sell to a target market, or if I'm pitching my idea to a set of angel investors who have the money to give that to me, what therefore influences a successful pitch? And three things. Number one is how you say it. Number two is what exactly are you saying in the first place? And number three, how well you know your audience. These are the three key pillars in making sure that you build a confident and influential pitch to your audience. And when we say how you say it, we're talking about asking the question, is it pleasing to the senses? Meaning your voice, your tone, and even your body language. Around the world, Harvard Business Review has scientifically proven that we vote for politicians with deeper voice. And that's because from a stage of evolutionary perspective, human beings prefer people with a lower voice because that means there's more authority. It feels like they're gonna protect us at the end of the day. What you're saying, on the other hand, is about content, meaning is it easy to understand and is easy to remember. My biggest pet peeve are people who present with 38 slides and they only have 15 minutes to present. People who have maybe 5 slides, but each slide has 58 animations in it. You're not gonna make the cut. Because at the end of the day, people have their own lives to manage. And if they cannot remember your talk in that 20-minute or 30-minute pitch, you're gonna be as good as the next one who's as ordinary or average. Remember, guys, the brain can only remember up to 7 things at the same time. 7 words, 7 letters, 7 numbers, and even 7 ideas. Beyond that, the brain panics, and the brain is unable to digest more information. And thirdly, this is very obvious. Do you know what your audience is looking for? Because no matter how great you are, if you did not study what the client was asking for, I don't care how good those PowerPoint presentation slides are. If you didn't study that this client was specifically looking for this product feature, or doesn't even have any issue about the price, then don't waste your time presenting those slides because it's looking for something else.